everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corie. If you are new here, I am a high school family and consumer sciences teacher, but I love all things beauty and lifestyle, so you get a little bit of everything here on my channel. Today we are doing this makeup look, which was not at all what I had planned to do today. I actually planned on doing a blue look, but I just was feeling autumnal and I decided to go with this red look instead, but I'm happy with how it came out. Hopefully you guys like it too, and I take you through step by step. So if you're interested in how to get this makeup look, keep watching. So I'm going to start by prepping my eye area. I am going to use my Makeup Forever eye primer. You guys, I'm so close to using this up, but the problem is that I don't use it on an everyday basis anymore. I pretty much only use it when I'm doing tutorials because I don't wear eyeshadow to work anymore. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent powder as always to set the under eye area. Or not the under eye area, sorry, my eyelid area. So the goal for this eyeshadow look is to do like a purpley autumnal look, and I think to do it I am going to use my Morphe Artistry palette, which is pretty beat up. So I'm going to use a light fluffy brush with this farthest like nude transition shade. And I'm just going to use that just above my crease. And I have hooded lids, so I really do use this above the crease. Okay, next I'm going to use this reddish purpley shade up here, and then I'm going to go in with this afterwards. So a little darker, but still lighter than our darkest shade. Reddish purple. And I am going to focus that in the crease. Focusing it mostly on the outer crease, but bringing it in towards the inner corner. And I'm just using the same brush for that one. I'm the type of person where it's like, let's use the least amount of brushes as possible. I'm gonna go back with that nudish shade and just blend out that outer edge. So now I'm going to use a denser, more pointed brush with that darker purple color on the corner here. And I'm going to focus that on my outer V, just to deepen that up a smidge. And we'll clean up these edges with our concealer. Okay, I'm gonna use a flat shader brush, and I am going to spray it with MAC Fix Plus. And I am going to use this purple shimmery shade all over my lid. I love foiling shadows. I think it makes such a big difference. I think this is like the perfect, I know it's a little bit early to be thinking this way, but like Thanksgiving, am I right? Like I think a red look like this could be so bomb for Thanksgiving. So I'm trying to be careful to bring this shimmery shade to that outer corner color, but not muddy it up. Now I'm just going to blend out that crease just a little bit. We'll come back to the eyeshadow for the lower lash line. And also to highlight the inner corner and the brow. We'll do that in just a little bit. Now we're going to move on to the face. Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer on a makeup brush. I have found that with this packaging where it just comes like in a pot, I have found that I really prefer using it with a brush. Okay, y'all know I cannot stop my Makeup Forever HD foundation. I like to blend it back to my ear, and obviously always down the neck. All right, now that we have that blended in, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer underneath the eye. And then I'm going to set my under eye with the same Laura Mercier powder. Now that I have set my under eye concealer, we're going to go back to the eyes. I'm going to go in with this dark brown shade and mix it with just a smidge of this darkest purple shade that we used. And I'm going to put that underneath the lash line, but I'm gonna try and keep it really close to the lash line. Now that I've done that, I keep jumping back and forth, but it's just the order that I do things. I'm gonna do my brows. I'm going to blend out my eyebrows with my Model in a Bottle eyebrow gel. Now that we have the brows done, back to the eyes. I'm using my Covergirl French Vanilla eyeshadow. And I'm really going to brighten up my brow bone and also my inner corner. So I'm using actually quite a bit of this just to make it like super bright. And then I'm also going to go in with my highlighter a little bit later to brighten it up even more. For lashes, I'm going to cut my lash in half and just put it on the outer half of my lid. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I put lashes on just the outer edge of my eye. And while that's drying, we are going to contour. I'm going to use my NYX Wonderstick in medium tan. Have you guys seen that girl on TikTok that like cakes contour around her mouth? Yeah, she's crazy, but it always ends up looking good. I'm just using my foundation brush to blend this out, and I always use a tapping motion. I find that that stops the product from dragging all over my face in unwanted spots. I do tend to drag the contour on my forehead up into my hairline. I'm taking my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette, and I'm using the finishing powder in Filtered Light and the bronzer in Golden Bronze Light, and I'm mixing them together, and I'm just adding a little bit more to my contour. And I put my contour pretty high up. I just find that that's what looks best for me. And then I'm actually going to change up the order of something really quick. I'm going to go in with my highlighter, Makeup Forever Pro Fusion Highlight in the shade 02. I'm going to put a little bit on my inner corner just to make that pop a little bit. And then I'm going to take it with my face brush and I'm going to put it kind of all over my cheek. I'm not going to focus it much on my cheekbone. I mean, I am hitting it there, but I'm kind of going all over my cheek so that all of it is glowy. And then I'm going to go over the top with my Tarte blush in Party, and I just tap my blush on. And do a little bit of blush on my nose. This Party blush is just a really good neutral blush, so I really like using it. Okay, I'm going to put mascara on my top and bottom lashes, and then I'm going to use my Covergirl Lash Blast on the bottom lashes. I keep repurchasing this Covergirl Lash Blast and I just can't stop using it. I love it. I'm using my MAC lip pencil in Spice. After the MAC Spice lip liner, I used a mixture of Teddy Bear by Milani and Muted by Juvias Place and got this, whatever this is. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this fall autumnal red kind of look. If you did like this makeup look, please be sure to give a peace sign. No. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate that. And I will see you guys next week. Bye guys.